Launch Microsoft Word and open the document you want to convert. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Save As, choose the location where you want to save the file and enter the desired name for the PDF. Now, from the Save As type drop-down menu, select PDF. As the file format, click on the Save button to start the conversion process. Depending on the size of the document, this might take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you can navigate to the location where you saved the file and open the PDF to ensure that everything looks as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your Word document into a PDF file, preserving its formatting and making it universally accessible.